G'day everyone. What I'm going to be doing now is I need to cut down my doors because I'm 10mm higher. So how we go about it is we'll take the screws out like that. Out. And then I just got to position my camera a bit. Okay. Right, we'll put those down there. What I do is I go off my hinge. Usually I go off the bottom, but there's not a clear line where the hinge goes, so a clear line I can see is at the top, and it measures 290. I need to give it 4 or 5mm clearance, or 3mm clearance. So what am I? 290. Let's go outside to the bottom of the door, measure down off the hinge, off the top of the hinge. That's 290. That's tight. You see that? So that is tight. I need to allow a bit of clearance. Now look at that beautiful, I won't look up into the sun. Look at that beautiful blue sky, Gold Coast morning. What's the time? 20 to 9. Absolute beautiful. Okay. Let's just move it on its flat a little bit so it's a bit more stable. Pull out the skilly. Pull out the old faithful grinder. And that's it. Where is a broom? I'll give it a bit of a brush off. gently Bentley, so we're not damaging the walls. Let's grab a couple of screws. In your mouth. Screw the sucker in. Like so. One at the top. Coming in out of the sun, it's a little bit hard to see until my eyes adjust. I'm sitting on a screw. Right, just unscrew it. I'll have to take it right off. Unscrew it all the way. That's better. Right, get them out of the road. That's it, folks. What was the go there? Oh, that's cool. I'm able to get it that all right. Yep. Silicone that. I had a little bit of trouble one job, and I've got the same here, but I'm lucky. My hinge on another job, I had to relay these 3 tiles. I had to go back because I was a couple of mil out. I hadn't left enough room, but here I have. Phew. Thank God for that. I had forgotten about that. Whew. More ass than a herd of buffalo. Thank you. Yeah, so on another job I did, the hinge was just a mil touching the tile, so I had to take these off and push them in. But it was no biggie, you know, half an hour and it was relayed, and I came back the next day and grouted them up and siliconed it, and we were laughing. Now I'll just go up there with silicone. Here I do the same here now with this one. So going through it again, you measure off your bottom hinge, whether it's the top of the hinge or the bottom. Allow 3 to 5 mil clearance. Cut it off and pop it back. It's just part of the service that goes with doing up bathrooms. Okay, we'll see you soon. I'll zap out, get my tape measure, and I'll come back to you. We'll see ya.